Good morning. Can you believe it's day 27 of lockdown? Is it really? I have to keep checking. I do know it's Wednesday today. That I do know. And, yes, Beth?
Claire needs to get down, but I don't want to get down. You can't stay up there forever. No fighting. I will need to.
And what other exciting thing could you do on a Wednesday other than try to rescue a waffle maker? So, what lessons have we learnt this morning? Lesson number 1, heat up the waffle maker before you add the batter. Maybe even spray the waffle maker once it's heated and then put the batter in. Otherwise it's terrible disaster land. So we have picked at it. We sprayed it. We sprayed it with like vinegar stuff. And this is like vastly improved. But the only other way that I think you could fix it is with a blower. So that's what we're gonna do today. Wednesday morning, we're gonna fix a waffle maker with a blower. I thought I would also update you on the shed that I organized the other day. I did find out that I can get rid of this, and this, which is excellent. And these bolts are from my other video where my husband took apart all those like garden railing fences and he's going to reuse these bolts. But other than that, I'm fairly impressed with us. We have kept it quite organized and looked after. So that's the big key when you organize something, is to maintain it. We are going in a forward direction of improving this, but it still needs a lot of work. Yeah. I can also say that it is a beautiful day today. And it's supposed to get to 22 degrees. And it's already 17 degrees. So, thank you, Mr. Sunshine. Happy to have you. And the various children are doing various things. Are you trying to come over here with me? Yeah?
You push me, do you?
I think you should stand up and push to the chair and then come and sit down. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Good girl. Have you come out? Have you come out here to watch Mummy?
Yeah. I came out here to watch. It looks like the frame. There. That's raw feet.
Are you close enough now?
Yep. Now, I'm watching you.
All right.
It's like the movie filmed in glorious black and white.
Okay.
And it's rated G. It's an outstanding cast of talent.
Are you having fun in the hammock?
Yeah.
I can hear the bees buzzing in the tree. Can you hear them?
I saw a bee took some pollen out.
So these blossoms are all opening up and there's tons of bees. If only I had a beehive. The day is nearly over. We have cruised into our afternoon routine, and I did a lot of things today, and you will be seeing them in upcoming videos and as I edit them and can upload them and work out the order that I want to do them in. But it was a beautiful day today, and the kids loved being outside, and I loved hearing the birds and the bees and all those lovely spring noises. So happy first day of spring. I began to wonder if spring was ever coming, because we had a lot of dark days being in lockdown, but with the wonderful sunshine, it reminds me that spring brings hope and new life and new growth, and I hope that I keep growing and changing and becoming a better and better person every day. And yeah, you know, just living my normal life, trying to be a good person, trying to get things done but not be stressed or worried or cluttered house or cluttered mind. And yeah, I just hope that people who've been seeing my videos can see that, you know, I just want to encourage other people, and if you have dreams and different things you want to do, go after them. Don't keep waiting for that day to come, because today is that day. So I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.